Morning guys, it's James. Hope you've had a good weekend and welcome back to the channel. So today we've been working on this Skoda Superb Saloon 2014. It's a hybrid, has come down to us from about 3 hours away for the genuine Highline reversing camera. So Richard's been busy today popping out the old grab handle and replacing it with the genuine Skoda reversing camera, routing all the cables to the front and wiring it into the drive and then coding it. Now join me in the front and I'll show you what it looks like on the screen. Right, sat inside the car. This is the Skoda Amundsen sound system. There are various levels of tech in these modern cars, and this is the facelift. So 2014 was just the start of this newer breed of models coming out. So well-spec'd car in here, which is what you expect anyway with the Skoda, because even though they're slightly different, cheaper than the Volkswagen range, you do get a lot of car for your money. As I should be pronouncing it, Skoda, which is how they now apparently say it on the adverts. So we have fitted a Highline reversing camera. It's a grab bar. They don't do any of the emblems for this particular model. And all we're going to do is to pop it into reverse. When you pop it into reverse gear, you've got the Highline moving guidelines, so we can move the guidelines. Probably would help if I had the car started, but let's do that now because it's a hybrid anyway, so that's not a problem. Okay, we're done, we're started. Put it into reverse gear. You got your moving guidelines, and that will show the trajectory of where your vehicle is going to end up if you keep pointing the steering wheel in that direction. Also, you've got your front and rear optical parking system on there, which is nice as an extra feature, and you put your hand towards the screen and you've got different modes. So if we wanted to get rid of the parking sensors altogether, you can press the button, same as the Volkswagens, it's pretty much the same, and then you can have the full front and rear parking sensors on there as well. So if we go back to the camera, we've got the second mode, so let's get rid of that. Now, this again we've shown before with the moving blocks, shows your trajectory of where you're going to go if you were parking in a multi-storey car park with lots of cars and lots of options. Put your hand towards the screen again. You've then got what they consider a trailer mode, because it means that you could be reversing up to your caravan or trailer or whatever you've got, and that means that it's almost like you are stood behind the car but looking down over it, and that's quite a handy view. And then this one here is quite good because you are then hiding inside the lens of the camera and looking out. So this is going to give you a really nice wide view, because if you wanted to look far left or far right, in case it's almost like a rear cross traffic alert system, so that you can then see if there's something coming out or past you at speed. So, and then the last one is just basic settings for colour, brightness, contrast. We never really changed those anyway, to be honest. So we get rid of that, put it back into park like so, and then because this car's got front and rear factory sensors, I will press the parking button down by the gear stick, and you've got activation of the reversing camera. But that'll only happen if you're are stationary or doing less than 10 miles an hour, and that will give you the Highline camera. So again, Skoda Superb 2014 with the Amundsen navigation system, all touchscreen, Highline camera. If you've got a vehicle like this, or you want to know that you can have a camera fitted, don't forget to get in touch. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thank you for watching.